and it is a crash. Again. Again. Yeah, and my storage started to be at the fucking limit now again, even if I did some cleaning. But that means I will need to do the video and to upload it and to remove it from my computer. It will be only one shot. Oh, but I will need to do the... No, I will need to upload it before on the things on the tool to do shorts before to delete it. Important. So I restarted with the seed. I did the seed during the crash, my bad. So let's test it. I will rerun that and we will see. Because normally I have the project ID and the Stripe key for testing, so I need to have the real price to test and not the fake price. You will see. And if it is working, we will... oh yes! All the tiers are here. Oh man. Yeah, it's amazing. And it's working perfectly. Fuck off. It's just perfect. I love AI again. But no, yeah, it's working perfectly. So I will redo that. I will need to upgrade one of this one. Okay, perfect. So I will put it at the 9, 10, 10, for example. Unlock. So I should be redirect to Stripe test because I have the fake IDs. I will just put that is a fake the fake card to test 42. It's a fake card to test on Stripe. It generated the link based on the 499 and not based on the one I was having. And I don't have webhook, so it will probably not work. The callback of Stripe is calling the worker. Yeah, but I know what it is. It needs to be this, so I will do it manually, but I will need to test it working correctly. The Stripe checkout in local didn't took my AB test price. That is important, just to see what he answer. Maybe it's normal, but yeah. And as I let's do that. As I don't have local webhooks for Stripe, how should I test inactive subscriptions on the link? He asked me to test. He said it's done now. Let's don't even open the sessions. It's not even working anymore. Oh, he's using your roots. Amazing. What should I ask? Let me find where the roots and to add. We'll see. We will see, we will see. But he is adding something specifically for dev, so it will be better for me to test. The both are pro. Oh, they remove the button. So it's working. Look like it is. Oh, so I can see my stats patch. Yeah, I think the name is still not a good one. I didn't ask him? I maybe forgot. In the States... it was necessary because it looked like the upgrade answer did it now. So upgrade query answer from Stripe do it now because it was working. I admit. You are right, a Stripe checkout already works. It's redirect to Stripe, user pay and the webhook press button. But if you don't need the test link pro start locally, that is necessary. You want me to remove it? Delete. Ah, that's an issue. First, after I test it, and after I answer him if I want him to delete it or not. I will try if it is working or not. When I do that, sorry, I'm checking where is the process of Claude here in the window. I don't want to move to the window to check. I just do that and check if it is still pending or in process. Maybe you see me doing it since the last first and you don't know what I'm doing each time. So that is why, you see, I see he is doing some update and I don't need it. So I can stay here, go to my stats. Remember, I forgot to ask that. And remember, I need to ask him if I cannot ask him more data, of course. So in the states page, the title need to be the name of the app and not the slug. In dev mode, in local, as I cannot have data from analytics, can you just display fake data? Because I was saying to him, I want more data, but I don't know what is the display of this. Maybe the source are each type, really each source in the graphic and everything, and it's really beautiful and it's enough, but I'm not sure. But so I asked him to add fake data, like that I can be sure. And during he is doing that, I can click on my delete stuff to do that. We permanently delete, and he asked me to click to add the slug to delete permanently, so I delete it. I don't want it to delete it. I wanted to remove the pro stuff, but the way to delete it make me think about something important. It's to manage my subscriptions. Manage billing, I think it will just don't have any idea why. That's why. I don't need to add the card on Stripe and it's automatically doing it. Remove the specific subscription management buttons for local. Stripe work without the webhooks. So by the way, the webhooks is used to no. By the way, why we use webhooks? Maybe for the console? I don't know. I will need to configure that because it's not back on Kufu, it's back on business. So no branding. It's written on Kufu, but it's not. It's written on onestore.link. Kufu, it's my holding. You don't want to see that when you are a customer. You don't want to see that. You want to see onestore links. Public details, statement descriptor. That is what it will be in the invoice and in the payments, in the bank accounts. makes sense. I will need to switch, but that means I will do it later because I don't want, aside from privacy reason. But I want to have that name in the branding stuff. Why it's using back to Kufu? Customer portal. Yeah, you see here. Here, I'm having Kufu, but I don't want Kufu. I don't want Kufu. I want onestore.link. No fucking idea. Honestly, I don't care. Right. Okay, we're back. We don't want to use time on that. We move with the webbook should flip is paid one. The check. Yes, because I asked him what is used for webbooks. Why is to have the checkout redirect success only means the user completed checkout pause and doesn't confirm the payment actually success. Stripe webbooks check sessions complete invoice paid are the only reliable way to know payment. Without webbooks, your DB would never know a link is pro. The checkout flow redirects the user back to your dashboard. But only the webbook should flip is paid again one. Dot. Indie one and sync. That is why it's mean work locally. It doesn't work locally. The checkout success on Stripe side, but nobody tell you work about it. For local, you can use it. So why it pass it? I don't understand why it pass it. I was there. I will agree. I am pro now, and I didn't need. Oh, Claude Code did something. I didn't know. No ID. On each link, if I am pro, I need to be able to unsubscribe myself for a specific link. Make sense now? So yeah, we'll get back on the labyrinth. My app is so young that you cannot find it easily at all. Refresh! I copy paste, it's a good point. Oh, that means we tasted the refresh stuff. It did a refresh. It did a real delete of the slug. You see? Because I am able to use it even if I did a delete. It's active, okay. Oh, the active page I should use. Currently, when not pro, you have the active page, and when pro, you have the pro page. Replace, keep the active page. Keep the active page each time, but the pro page is a free page when no subscriptions. Done. So I can downgrade, okay. And do it instantly with Stripe, so that is good with the confirmations. And when I grade, I have a price like that, I can confirm Unlock Pro, and it's instantly working, I think. Look that it is not. It's working. I don't know him say it's not working because it's fucking working. I don't need anything. I have a fake data here. It's enough. I will ask if I cannot have all those data. Other data, of course, and more data. More data, you can display them. More data, it's better. I have no idea. It's working, but so we have active free and active pro. Perfect. Okay, so I have downgrade, upgrade, and everything. When I am free in the stats, when a link is in free mode in the states page, display in the background of the lock, display a fake data blurred, a fake blurred data. So your first link upgrade without webhook locally. The swap checkout complete, but the webhook never is paid for subscription. When you already have subscriptions, it works immediately because it takes incremental quantity. Half want me to add a fallback that checks Stripe subscriptions that you on the checkout callback redirect. So first time upgrade, work without webhooks too. Want me to add a fallback to check Stripe subscriptions. It's better than using if there is a crash between Stripe and the callback, you pay and we don't have the information. I ask him, but I know it's not a better solution. It's not. It's just working locally and easy for me. Yeah, I knew the answer, but I'm lazy. But for the checkouts completions follow weekend verification when the user land back on the dashboard with upgrade true. That's more reliable that depend. So yeah, the webhook rise conditions anyway. So he's doing it, even if I don't answer it. Add the checkout sessions to the success. So no need webhooks anymore. Or we keep it as a safety. We'll see if you keep it. If you keep it, you keep it. In any case, I need the webhooks because I need to know when the user is canceling the subscriptions directly from Stripe, for example. Yeah. Now I'll add the use effect because I can downgrade it. It will downgrade it instantly. Its quantity, so you do prorata. Yeah. Customer. Done. Create a Stripe sessions URL, user pay, dashboard this, detect, worker verify sessions, dashboard refresh. This make checkout activations work without webhooks. Webhooks are still useful for safety. You see, that was my question. I need to ask it. Mwah. So smart. Not me, AI, of course. Products. Cancel immediately. Bill now for outstanding balance of cancel. So, cancelled. No webhooks. So it will not detect anything. Yeah. Stripe. Maybe I will need to delete this customer. I don't know when he created the customer. That's a good question. Okay, upgrade to Pro, unlock. No subscription, so he's asking me my data. So, because I didn't check that process at first, it will create the subscriptions, and you see I had 3 subscriptions when I just need one. But maybe it's because I press a button when he is not getting the information. So here he has the information, so it will probably not work like that. I can just upgrade, okay, and here it will upgrade it here. So we have both. When I don't put no tax, you see, that is why the price is that much. It's because we have tax. No, it's because next it's paying.